what is up, guys?
Everybody?
We're currently running to the dairy to get some food to review. Check the road. Guys, really good left and right. Look at that. Oh, damn. What's up on here? Alright guys, we made it. We'll see you in the video. Yo, what is up guys? We are back at another Food Review Friday. Yes. And today we've got the good old Joe back again. And Logan, you got something to say?
Joe, we're gonna make you an official member of Make Me Crazy. How do you feel about this?
It's so emotional.
You crying?
Almost.
Is it heartwarming?
Yeah, very.
Okay, great. Let's go. Let's review this.
Alright.
I'm just kidding.
Today our first item is baby chockfish.
Yummy.
And we also got a grape Fanta.
Oh.
Never tried this before, kinda excited. Don't know what to expect from it, but you know.
So these, whatever they are.
And the new raspberry lime chewing gum.
Wow.
Lovely. Alright, first we're gonna do the chockfish.
Baby chocolate.
That's soft.
Marshmallow. Chocolatey.
Very nice.
Amazing with a hot chocolate.
Oh yeah. It actually does remind me of a hot chocolate.
Now we're doing these ones. I know what they're called.
The dairy special. Thank you. A blue with pink on the inside. Coated in sugar. Go on. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
A little bit of sourness to it.
Yeah, just a little.
Nothing over the top.
Yeah, this isn't crazy.
You need a sweet treat to get you through the day.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Okay, next we got the gum. I'm just gonna rip her open. Sugar free as well.
Oh, the healthy option. Thank you. Ooh. Good wee smell. Oh, it smells
Smells
refreshing.
fruity. I don't really taste much.
It's kind of average.
Yeah. I don't taste no raspberry or no lime.
Just tastes sweet.
It's okay.
A good change up from the mint gum if you want to rate it. You know.
I'm trying the grape Fanta. Yeah.
You're just looking at it.
That's
It's nice.
crazy.
Next up.
I don't think I want it anymore.
It's waterful.
Kind of like the grape Gatorade. It's very similar to that. Just a bit more.
Yeah.
Bit more fizz to it.
More fizzy.
It's very
Sweet.
artificial.
Nothing too crazy.
I'll drink it though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it my first option?
No.
Probably not. Let's get
What are
it.
we rating these?
How much they cost, Oscar? Are they cheapy?
$2.70.
$2. They good though.
I'll give it a
I think they're 9. A 9.
I'll give it a 7.
I think a 7. I like the texture, flavour, nostalgic.
What about these?
Or, I think you're like 6.
Yeah, same.
6, 7. Around that area.
Yeah, they're very good.
Agreed. But, it's a very year 9 thing to buy.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Got a gun?
To be honest, mine's already lost its flavour, so.
Yeah.
I
About
like
6.
it.
Yeah, 5, 6.
Yeah, 6.
It's pretty disappointing.
It does the job though, you know.
Oh, flavor doesn't last too long.
And the grape Fanta,
I'll give it a 6.
6.5.
Yeah, it's not.
So the best food for today was the
Baby
chop
chop.
fish. No, just a sec. Guys, we're getting close to that 50 milestone. If we get there before, say, Wednesday next week, 3 videos next week.
Oh my god.
3. We're gonna have a TKT special with the return of J-Dot
I won't be there.
and maybe a special guest.
Maybe.
Thursday, cooking video.
Finally.
We're coming back.
Finally.
And then we'll have the usual food review Friday. Special guest as well. Maybe if we get that 50 mark. So yeah. Also, before we wrap this up, fun fact about Geordie: his cat is getting put down.
Shout out to Jordy, man. Hope you're feeling good.
He'll be back, Chef Geordie.
Yeah.
He's back. Mark my words.
Rest in peace, Pixel.
That was another one.
Oh, another one.
That's his grandma's
Oh,
one.
gosh, 2 of them.
Tell
Gee.
me.
Thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
watching, guys.
Subscribe. Like the
See you.
video.
Like,
Share the
hit that
video.
subscribe.
Tell everyone about
Share. Tell your family. Tell your friends.
it.
Tell everyone.